Professor Sridhar, can we start the proceedings with your permission?
Yes, sure.
Okay, thank you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I'm Belle Shonai. I'm the managing editor of MycoAsia, a journal of modern mycology. Thank you for joining in today. Today we are going to have a long day. And, today we are having a very interesting program called Startup Fungi Lecture Series. This event is organized by the Association of Fungal Biologists, Mumbai, India, and whose president is Dr. Sunil Kumar Deshmukh. Actually, this whole event, or this whole idea of starting Startup Fungi Lecture Series is the brainchild of Dr. Sunil Kumar Deshmukh. Thank you, Dr. Sunil Kumar Deshmukh, for joining in from New Zealand.
Okay, thank you.
Nice to see you. This program is also organized in collaboration with the MycoAsia Journal of Modern Mycology, which was started in 2019. Also, we have one more organizer, that is MycoIndia Journal of Indian Fungi. This journal was started last year. Professor Kandikere Ramaya Sridhar, Dr. K.R. Sridhar is the editor-in-chief of MycoIndia Journal of Indian Fungi. Dr. Sridhar is the first speaker for today's event, and with our final organizer for this event is Center for Biodiversity Exploration and Conservation, which is an NGO focusing on mycology based in Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh of India. Dr. Rohit Sharma is the founder of this Center for Biodiversity Exploration and Conservation. He'll be joining us soon. He is also the managing editor of MycoIndia Journal of Indian Fungi. Today we'll have 9 speakers. First one is Dr. Sridhar. Second one is Mr. Aditya Srinivas, who will talk about the story of Roha Biotech. Roha Biotech is into mycomaterials R&D. Then our third speaker is Dr. Yashaswini Balaraju. She will talk about mycelium-based ingredients and the future of food. Then Dr. Pooja Dubey Pandey from Indore will talk about sustainable future using mushrooms in transformation of waste. After lunch, we'll have Dr. Mr. Sharad Rai, one of the gurus of microfabrication India. He will talk about microfabrication. After that, Susan from Norway will talk about the fungi. The future is fungi. And later on, we are going to have an interesting talk by Mr. Jashid Hamid, who is a co-founder of Novedo. We will talk about marketing mushrooms, especially in a mycophobic market. Then we will have Mr. Adam Samshuddin, who is the founder of Grow the Fungi, a Kerala-based mushroom business. He will talk about his journey as a founder of Grow the Fungi. The last speaker is from Sri Lanka. He will talk about Dream Fungi, the first ever open biotech research in Sri Lanka. Before we start our talks, I would request Dr. Sunil Kumar Deshmukh to say a few words about the idea of fungi, if you have time and connectivity. Thank you.
Actually, we have a lot of work done in India on taxonomy and its diversity. But integration of this with the biotechnology is important thing. So we thought that it is better to integrate both, because taxonomy is important on one hand and its application is on other hand. Keeping that in mind, people have started some startups. So we thought that better to give some idea to new people that okay, we can also do this thing. Keeping that in mind, it was started. And thankful to Dr. Shinoy for taking the idea and other people who have helped in organizing. Thank you very much and welcome all the speakers.
Thank you, Dr. Sunil Kumar Deshmukh, for joining us.
You can carry on, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sunil Kumar Deshmukh, the President of Association of Fungal Biologists, for joining us from New Zealand. And as I told you, this whole event is the idea of Dr. Deshmukh. Thank you, sir, for inspiring us. Thank you very much. And we will hope that you will be able to join us throughout the day. For you it would be midnight there. Anyway,
Yeah.
now I request Dr. Sridhar, Professor Sridhar, my editor-in-chief of India, Journal of India, to say a few words about today's event. Dr. Sridhar, please.
Yeah, good morning to everyone. Today's program is fine-tuned by Dr. Bele, and also he has brought many people from the academia and the industries to provide a feast to mycologists, those who are interested in basic and applied aspects. As we are all aware that fungi serve as an alternative for human nutrition as well as medicine. That is very commonly agreed aspect. But it has other alternatives. That is, it is possible to use them as food and medicine. In addition, a lot of biomaterials can be produced from various fungi, micro and macro fungi, like pigments, enzymes, industrial gums, nanoparticles, and enzymes and such. And today's situation is we can cultivate mushrooms various ways to produce fruit bodies for the edible purpose and also for medicinal purpose. In addition, we can cultivate only mycelia and extract some of the biomaterials that is necessary for us, like industrially useful materials like nanogels, membranes, the bioplastics, and so many other merchandise can be produced using fungi as a focal material. And in addition, everybody is aware that fungi is very important for biodegradation of waste material, and that is how it cleans up the environment. And the only thing is human beings have to provide proper attention to clean up the whatever the waste material what we have in and around, including plastics. And today's event will be pertain to basics as well as food related and medicine related and industrial materials produced by fungi by various speakers. I welcome all of you for the event and have a nice day.
Thank you, Dr. Sridhar, for your insightful words about today's event. I would like to invite all the participants, especially participants are members of Association of Fungal Biologists, members of MycoAsia Journal of Modern Mycology, members of MycoIndia Journal of Indian Fungi, and the members of Center for Biodiversity Exploration and Conservation. Also, anyone who is not connected with this organization but who are here, who is here to attend the event. Thank you very much for attending this program. I hope we will have a fruitful deliberation for next 9 hours. Please feel free to stretch your legs and hands in between. We will have some breaks in between for 10-15 minutes. But this recording will be on YouTube. So now we will move on with the first presentation. The first presentation will be by Dr. Sridhar. Dr. Sridhar will talk about the role of mushrooms in human nutrition and health.